Hi, my name is Evan Thomas. I'm going to be showing you how to repair the concrete around your pool for the edification of the pool learning Australian man. Alright, so you work your blood sugar sex magic so you can develop awesome skills and contribute meaningfully to the community. And then you get to install your very own saltwater pool. Mangariba! Then this happens. Wow, wow, wow. So what you do, right, is I painted a rust primer over the rusted metal reinforcement bars in the concrete. I did that against the advice of a mate who owns a successful pool building company, and you can see that there's a bit of rust coming through there already.